Italiano Insurance wants you to know that just because your lender doesn't require you to carry flood insurance, it doesn't mean you're protected. Experts agree if a storm like Katrina hit Tampa Bay, the entire peninsula could be underwater and you would not be covered.
Far too many people feel that homeowners and flood insurance are on one policy, and they're not. You have your homeowner's policy and then you have your flood policy, but those are two separate insurance policies.
The National Flood Insurance Program was created in 1968 to partner with private insurance companies who were not available to cover flooding at the time. Flooding, which is considered a catastrophic peril, must be dealt with as our weather becomes more and more erratic.
We have had catastrophic weather primarily since 2005 when Katrina hit, and we keep on continuing to have these anomaly of storms. We saw Sandy in the Northeast. Who would have thought the Northeast would have received that type of flooding? No one is safe from flooding. We don't know where the next storm is going to come, so we have to be prepared.
It isn't just Florida that's experiencing catastrophic weather events.
This year, with all the snow in the Midwest and the Northeast, we've seen accumulations of snow that we have not seen in many, many years. When you have snow, it has to go somewhere, and it melts, and then we have flooding events.
So are we safe if we don't live close to a body of water?
A large percentage of our flooding events that we see are just rain. You have rain when it rains, and if you have a stopped up drainage situation, you can flood anywhere. You do not have to live near a body of water to have flooding events.
So what's being done to help homeowners afford high rising prices? Most of us are aware of the Biggert Waters Act that was passed in 2012. But homeowners did not receive relief from that bill. A new bill has been passed that will allow homeowners to pass their 2013 flood insurance rate on to a new homeowner should they choose to sell. Also, there will be a limit on yearly premium increases at an average of 15% to 18% based on certain FEMA criteria.
Recent legislation that with House Bill 3370 that just passed is going to help undo some of the challenges that Biggert Waters has presented to us. Biggert Waters caused people to have these astronomical premiums. People could not afford their homes. And with the House Bill 3370, and again, we believe it will be reconciled with the Senate bill and then it's off to the President for signature, it will allow people to look at homes, find homes, and be able to afford their insurance premiums for flood insurance.
Based on your home's location, you may be eligible for a preferred flood policy that starts as low as $129 a year. Call Italiano Insurance for more information.